Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are going to make a chicken wrap. For this one is I will tag the creator in the description below, and this recipe is super easy and super straightforward, and you can use it. You can actually make it in 10 minutes. For this we need 900 of chicken, we need oregano, paprika, and as well as some um, garlic powder in addition to chili powder if you are on spicy side, and some ginger. I like the taste. I added as well some olive oil in addition to half lemon, and I mixed everything together and I let it marinate. For this you can see like I have added later on garlic. My garlic was super solid, it was fresh out of the freezer, and I added some salt and some black pepper. For this recipe, it is super easy and super packed. Each wrap actually contains only from 300 to 400 calories. It depends on your toppings and whatever the things that you have used. My topping was red onions, and which I really diced very thinly. And it's a preference. If you don't like onion, you can absolutely get rid of it. But I just prepared for the taste. I add some tomatoes. I dice it as well. I removed the juice of the tomato because I don't want my wrap to be dense. For the sauce, I put some low-fat yogurt in addition to hot sauce and sweet sauce, some oregano and garlic powder in addition to white pepper. And mix everything together. This sauce actually makes everything comes together beautifully. I prepared the greens, which were lettuce and some mint. I prefer the taste also. It's optional. You can keep it, you can not use it, and that's up to you. For the chicken, I cooked the chicken with a little bit oil on medium-high heat, 2 to 3 minutes each side, or until golden brown, and you can just use it back. For me, I have some small pan, so it needed more time. For the tortilla, I used whole wheat tortillas, and I just put my greens there, and I put my protein there, and I put all the topping in addition to the sauce. On the side, you can see that I've already prepared one, and I tasted it, and it was actually amazing. I was preparing the second one while I was munching on the first one. You can actually add as much sauce as you want. I just prefer to put it like this, and it's super easy. And you can keep the chicken, which you can use it in a salad if you don't prefer tortillas. It's all you are in no carb at all, or on a keto, so you can just remove the tortilla from that, and you can just put it on a salad or anything. It's up to you if you would like to add some cheese or anything. And you can see the colors are super beautifully over here, and I really love it, and the taste will not disappoint you for sure. Please leave a comment if you have tried it or you want to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day.